Rumors are building about the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and early leaks suggest Samsung could have something extra special in store. We're talking about their next flagship phone packing upgrades like faster speeds than an M1 MacBook Pro, camera tech that leaves the iPhone in the dust, and battery life that simply hasn't been achieved before in a smartphone. If early rumors pan out, the S24 Ultra could go down as Samsung's magnum opus. The hype is certainly growing. But can reality match expectations? Let's dig deeper into the S24 Ultra and look at the 10 big changes we can expect. Change 1. Brand new chipset. First up, it's very likely the S24 Ultra will feature an all-new premium chipset, either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Samsung's own Exynos 2400. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is expected to offer faster CPU and GPU performance versus this year's models, while the Exynos 2400 may close the gap with Qualcomm's Silicon. We're hoping the S24 Ultra delivers a significant jump in processing power and efficiency. The latest iPhone and Pixel devices have raised the bar for smartphone performance. Samsung needs to match or exceed that to stay competitive in 2024. Faster speeds, better multitasking ability, advanced AI features, improved graphics. The S24 Ultra needs to excel across the board. Change 2. Major camera upgrades. Now let's talk cameras. The S23 Ultra already has one of the most versatile and powerful camera systems out there. But Samsung could take things up another notch with the S24 Ultra. Rumors point to upgrades like a larger main sensor for superior light capture, improved optical zoom capabilities, and an upgraded 50MP telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. This should translate into better quality photos and videos, especially in low-light scenarios. An enhanced zoom lens will also let you get closer to subjects without losing quality. Samsung's new image processing tech may also find its way into the S24 Ultra. That would further optimize and speed up photo-video capture. Overall, expect the S24 Ultra to set or match new camera phone performance records in 2024. Change 3. Next-level AI performance. Here's an exciting one. With help from Samsung's new Gauss AI platform, the S24 Ultra could introduce game-changing on-device AI capabilities. We're talking potential features like real-time language translation, AI-powered text, email and document creation, summarization, sophisticated photo-video editing tools, personalized recommendations and assistance. Having these advanced AI features processed quickly and securely on the device itself would be a major differentiator for the S24 Ultra. The boosted speed and intelligence of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip will likely supercharge Samsung Galaxy 2. It's going to be really interesting to see how Samsung utilizes AI to enhance the user experience with the S24 Ultra. Change 4. Slick new design. While we don't expect a complete design overhaul, the S24 Ultra could get some refinements that give it a fresh new look and feel. Slightly more squared-off edges and corners, flatter front and back panels. These tweaks would help the phone sit nicer in your hand while looking sleek from every angle. And we could see luxurious new color options as well, like light green or violet. Or how about an eye-catching orange or light blue? Very intriguingly, leaks also suggest next year's Ultra may switch from aluminum to titanium alloy sides. Not only would this make the S24 Ultra tougher, but titanium is also lighter. That could shave a gram or more off the S23 Ultra's hefty 234G weight. Change 5. Faster refresh rate. The S24 Ultra will likely stick with the same huge 6.8-inch curved display, but we might just see Samsung pump up the maximum refresh rate from 120 Hz all the way to 144 Hz with the S24 Ultra. Higher refresh rates make everything on screen look incredibly smooth and fluid. 144 Hz would give the S24 Ultra razor-sharp responsiveness for gaming, videos, scrolling, and more. Visually intensive apps and games could look more impressive than ever at up to 144 frames per second. Other refinements like increased peak brightness take the S24 Ultra display from great to best in class. No matter what refresh rate Samsung goes with, we expect an absolutely stunning viewing experience that sets new quality benchmarks. Change 6. 65-watt super-fast charging. Here's an upgrade S24 Ultra users will really appreciate. Substantially faster charging speeds. The last few Galaxy S Ultra models have been limited to 45-watt wired charging, but in few weeks, Samsung may finally crank things up to 65 watts. With 65-watt charging, you'd be able to take the S24 Ultra battery from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes. A completely dead battery could hit 100% in 35 to 40 minutes with the proper 65-watt adapter. For comparison, 45-watt charging takes almost an hour. Faster wired charging will perfectly complement improvements on the battery capacity front as well. Rumors point to a new stacked battery design that fits more power in the same size component. 65W charging plus enhanced battery. Change 7. One UI 6 enhancements. The S24 Ultra will launch with One UI 6 based on Android 14. We fully expect Samsung to bake in optimizations and new features to take advantage of the S24 Ultra's cutting-edge hardware. Things like upgraded animations, visuals, and themes, AI-assisted app recommendation engine, dynamic privacy manager dashboard, expanded Samsung DX functionality. One UI 5 tailored to the S24 Ultra could enable more advanced multitasking scenarios like easier app splitting and floating windows. The Privacy Manager may give you improved visibility and control over how apps access sensor data, location services, and other permissions. There's also a rumor pointing to easier Instagram integration via a camera shortcut on the lock screen. And Samsung DeX wireless streaming to external displays may level up with the S24 Ultra's upgraded processor graphics. Lots of possibilities here. Change 8. Next level gaming experience. Mobile gaming keeps advancing every year, and hardcore mobile gamers need a phone that delivers best-in-class graphics and performance. That phone for 2024 could very well be the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's quickly recap some of the gaming-focused upgrades tipped for the S24 Ultra. Cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Up to 16 GB RAM for immersive multitasking. 144 Hz screen refresh rate for buttery visuals. Top-tier Adreno GPU graphics. Enhanced cooling system for peak performance. Combine all of that high-power silicon with a big, beautiful AMOLED screen plus loud Dolby Atmos speakers. And the S24 Ultra shapes up as an absolute mobile gaming beast. Samsung could position the phone as a true ultra-premium option for mobile gamers if they hit the right specs. Change 9. Expanded S Pen functionality. The S Pen experience is a real standout feature for the Ultra lineup. Samsung may look to expand the capabilities of the S24 Ultra's built-in S Pen stylus to make it even more indispensable for creators, professionals, and power users. Potential S Pen upgrades for the S24 Ultra include more enhanced air gestures, ability to control, navigate more apps and phone features, improved handwriting, drawing tools with AI assistance, expanded Samsung Notes integration, better S Pen interaction combined with DeX enhancements could make the S24 Ultra a real mobile productivity powerhouse. The S Pen is a truly unique value add for the Ultra line. We hope Samsung unlocks even more of its creative potential with the S24 model. Change 10. Next level battery life. Last but certainly not least, the S24 Ultra battery life. While the S23 Ultra already delivers excellent endurance, Samsung may push battery life to even greater heights next year. Here are some of the rumors pointing to better S24 Ultra battery life. New, larger capacity stacked battery design. More battery efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. Suspected Galaxy S24 Ultra specific optimizations. We could see 12 plus hours screen on time for the S24 Ultra, allowing you to use the phone at full tilt for a whole day and then some without charging. And when you do need to top up, faster 65W wired charging has you covered in just 35 to 40 minutes. The S24 Ultra battery life will likely be best in class, keeping you powered up no matter what you throw at it. Gaming, AI features, content creation, you name it. Well, those are 10 potential big changes for Samsung's next Ultra flagship. If the rumors and leaks pan out, the S24 Ultra could deliver massive upgrades across the board, much improved performance, intelligence, productivity, and endurance. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is shaping up to be an absolute spec monster with game-changing camera, AI, and S Pen capabilities that no other smartphone can match. We can't wait to go hands-on with the S24 Ultra when it's officially unveiled. So those are our thoughts on what Samsung has cooking for their 2024 flagship. What potential S24 Ultra upgrades or features excite you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to stay on top of all things Samsung S24 as we get closer to launch. Thanks for watching.